Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look, my cat. They are playing. Her mother and my turn.
Binibidyo mo ba eh? Pakitin mo yung puting para makadede na.
Oh no. Oh no. She's crazy. Daisy, Daisy. Give me your popsicle.
Kalmutin ka niya na.
And boring. Guys, nothing to do. Wait, I forgot. I can use my mom's cell phone. That's a good idea.
Over the course of the series, you learn how aggressive you have to be. You don't get to tiptoe against these guys. Look how aggressive. He is not stopping. He's ripping that ball.
Can I use your phone? I'm making a vlog. But I forgot to thanks to you guys, to my subscribers, and this phone. I'm using my real phone, but you know Irene Divino's account. It's not my name. My name is Gillian Dimple D. Timbogan. I'm using my mom's account at YouTube because I don't have any accounts. Guys, thank you for my subscribers. Thank you all of you in this account. Look. Wait. Fuck. Fuck. My phone is my mom's phone is in. Look. Wait. Oh, come on. Look what's happening. I'm trying to go in YouTube, but it cannot. It's living by his own. See? It's lagging. What the f is that phone? Come on. Come and go. Don't go out. Don't go out. Fuck. I think it's lagging. I need to play some games. Which game I can... Let me see the weather today. I don't know, but let's check the calendar. It's June 7. Tomorrow week. 2 days. Come on.
This is the team that has been the best shooting team in the playoffs, and they just played through adversity, played through the turnovers.
Wanna watch Coco Melon? So hot. My cats. My cat is swinging on his brain. See that? That's my kitty cat. Ting, 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 ting. Hey. Hey guys. Hey guys, that's all. Okay guys.
Legends are born in moments like this. NBA Finals live on One Sports RTV.
Thanks for watching my video, guys.